Batch Data Collector and Free Data Collector. Study session number 13, a simple batch process. In previous lessons, we explored several ways to create recipes containing advanced commands that propagate from the data scraper to the web page. In this lesson, we'll create a simple recipe with the goal of extracting all the links from a web page. We will repeat the application of the recipe on a list consisting of hundreds of pages. While this may seem difficult and costly, thanks to the creation of a batch process, or a sequence of automated jobs, users can program this with a few simple clicks. Start by opening the Batch Data Collector Advanced interface. Use a template by clicking on the Templates icon. Expand the Common Elements branch, and then choose Links with Labels. Our recipe is almost ready. In this example, we'll add an additional column to the Excel file that contains the address of the page from which the link was taken. Click on Add Column. Activate the column with the On/Off checkbox. In Label, type a title for the new column. In Node, use the special instruction #sourceURL#. The latter, like all other special instructions available to our users, are listed in our knowledge base. Or, more simply, in the tooltip window that appears on screen by moving the mouse over the question mark icon. Change the recipe name and save. Click on the Batch tab. On the left, in the Navigation List text box, paste the URLs to navigate. On the right, in the Recipe to Apply During the Batch Process section, tick the checkbox of the last saved recipe. The program allows you to apply multiple recipes with a single pass, and to generate separate Excel files with one file for each recipe. This is an incredibly powerful way to perform complex navigations and extractions. The options below allow users to customize every aspect of batch automation, from timing, to filtering certain elements to be blocked, to making the program run faster, or even making the program seem more human-like by randomizing the amount of resting time. In Temporation and Alerts, the number of tabs used allows users to choose the number of tabs to be used at the same time, in sync, to navigate and extract data faster. This functionality should be used with caution and in direct reference to the power or limitations of your device. For slower computers, or computers with insufficient memory, we recommend reducing the number of concurrent tabs when browsing, as it may be faster to navigate with fewer tabs than to use 10 at the same time just because you can. To start the batch process, click Start Batch Process. The scan monitor, seen here in the foreground, will display the progress bar, the remaining number of queries, the memory used, and the real-time status of all tabs involved. At the end of your batch process, a confirmation message and links to each file to download in the desired format will appear.